Hi everyone, I will be talking about how to determine the quality of information obtained from code coverage tools and how to make best use of it. First things first, we cannot apply same code coverage rules across multiple testing profiles. In a paper on effect of code coverage on fault detection, the writers have tried to find out if the code coverage is a good indicator of fault detection capabilities of the test suite. The results are mixed and they vary under different testing profiles. Having said that, it is mostly true that as code coverage increases, the quality of code increases, which means that the number of defects uncovered by the test suite increases. A recent research paper by Williams and Mercer, however, suggests that this correlation is not one-to-one, meaning that 85% code coverage does not mean 85% code quality, but a little less. Also, 100% code coverage does not guarantee that the code is 100% defect-free. In order to determine the quality of the information obtained from code coverage tools, developers firstly need to identify test-worthy code that has been covered by test cases. Test-worthy code means the code that implements some business logic and not the getter and setter methods. So while focusing on higher levels of overall code coverage, a developer's primary goal should be to reach close to 100% coverage for the test-worthy code. Example, a package implementing business logic for the product should have close to 100% coverage, whereas it is okay for a package containing bean classes to have lesser percentage of code coverage. Moreover, developers need to make sure that code coverage at various granularities like line, branch, method, class, package, etc. are equally satisfying. The last and most important point to note is not to introduce coverage analysis tools in projects without a reasonably usable automated test suite. In our further studies, apart from evaluating Kobayashi on basic features, we would like to see if we can determine the quality of the test suite we use from the code coverage results. We would also like to verify that our findings match with the research findings that I talked about. Thank you.